Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate standard deduction versus itemized decision tools. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the standard deduction versus itemized deduction decision tools, first gather your tax documents. You will need your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant income statements. Next, open your preferred tax software or online tax filing tool. Look for an option that indicates deductions or tax benefits. Select that option to explore your choices between standard or itemized deductions. If you do not see it immediately, check the menu or dashboard of your tax software. Once you find the deductions section, review your income and expenses. For the standard deduction, verify your filing status to determine the correct amount. For itemized deductions, collect your receipts for qualified expenses. These may include mortgage interest, property taxes, medical expenses, and charitable contributions. Input these amounts into the appropriate fields provided by the software. The tool will typically calculate whether your standard deduction or itemized deductions yield a better refund. After entering all necessary information, review the comparison results. Decide which option offers the greatest benefit to your tax situation. Once you have made your choice, proceed to fill out the rest of your tax return. Remember to keep a copy of your documents for your records. Finally, follow any additional prompts to complete your filing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.